Welcome to the wild, wonderful world of online marketing. It's like a magic carpet ride, but instead of a genie, you've got algorithms and analytics. If you're a beginner, don't fret. Imagine you're about to embark on a treasure hunt, and every click, like, and share is a clue leading to your hidden gold. In today's digital age, online marketing isn't just a fancy term thrown around at business meetings. It's your ticket to reaching millions without leaving your couch. Whether you're selling handmade candles or offering cutting-edge tech services, online marketing is the secret sauce to your success. And guess what? Learning it doesn't have to be like pulling teeth. So why is online marketing so crucial? Simple, because everyone, including your grandma, is online. If you want to be seen, you've got to be where the eyeballs are. Plus, it's cheaper than traditional marketing. No more spending thousands on billboards that nobody looks at because they're too busy texting. Ready to dive in? Buckle up. We're about to break down online marketing into bite-sized, digestible pieces. By the end of this guide, you'll be a marketing wizard, or at least know enough to pretend you're at parties. First things first, who are you talking to? Knowing your audience is like knowing the punchline to a joke. It makes everything else fall into place.
Think of your audience as your best friend. What are they like? What makes them tick? Start by creating a buyer persona. It's just a detailed description of your ideal customer. Give them a name, age, job, hobbies, and even a favorite ice cream flavor. Tools like HubSpot's Make My Persona can help you with this.
Use Google Analytics to check who's visiting your website. These insights will help you tweak your strategy. Think of your website as your online home. You wouldn't invite guests over if your house was a mess, right? The same goes for your website. It needs to be clean, inviting, and easy to navigate. A stunning website is your digital business card, and first impressions matter.
Start by choosing a user-friendly platform like WordPress or Wix. They offer drag-and-drop features, so you don't need a degree in rocket science to get started. Pick a template that suits your brand, but don't go overboard with the bells and whistles. Simplicity is key.
Your website should be mobile-friendly. More people browse the web on their phones than on desktops. If your site looks like a jigsaw puzzle on mobile, visitors will bounce faster than a rubber ball. Tools like Google's mobile-friendly test can help you ensure everything looks spick and span.
Don't forget the basics. Make sure your contact information is easy to find. Add a blog section to share valuable content and boost your SEO. More on that later. Tools like GT metrics to keep your site speed in check.
Content is king, queen, and the entire royal court of online marketing. Without good content, your website is like a car without gas. It ain't going anywhere. So what makes content killer? It's all about value. Your content should solve problems, answer questions, and entertain your audience.
Start with a blog. It's a great way to share your expertise and connect with your audience. Write about topics that interest them, not just what you want to sell. Use tools like Answer the Public to find out what questions people are asking in your niche. Then, write posts that provide the answers.
Next, mix it up. Don't just stick to blog posts. Create videos, infographics, and podcasts. Different people prefer different types of content. The more variety you offer, the more people you'll engage. Plus, visual content can be more shareable and memorable.
Don't forget to keep it fun and relatable. Use humor, tell stories, and be yourself. Nobody wants to read a blog post that feels like a textbook. Lastly, always include a call to action, CTA. Whether it's subscribing to your newsletter or following you on social media, guide your readers on what to do next.
Master SEO like a pro.
SEO is your ticket to getting found on Google. Think of SEO as a treasure map with keywords as clues. Mastering SEO can feel like solving a Rubik's Cube, but it's easier than you think.
Start with keyword research. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or Ubersuggest. With high search volume and low competition. These are your golden tickets.
Sprinkle your keywords throughout your content. Next, on-page SEO. Optimize individual pages on your website. Ensure your title tags, meta descriptions, and headers include your keywords. Make it natural and readable.
Lastly, don't forget about backlinks. These are links from other websites to yours. The more quality backlinks you have, the higher your site will rank. Reach out to other bloggers, write guest posts, and create shareable content to earn those precious backlinks. Section 6, Step 5, Social Media Savvy.
Social media, the land of cat videos and viral memes. But it's also a goldmine for online marketers. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter are where your audience hangs out. So it's crucial to be social media savvy.
Start by choosing the right platforms. You don't need to be on every social media site. Focus on where your audience spends their time. If you're targeting professionals, LinkedIn might be your go-to. For a younger crowd, Instagram or TikTok could be better. Don't spread yourself too thin.
Next, create engaging content. Social media is all about interaction. Post content that encourages likes, shares, and comments. Use eye-catching images, videos, and infographics. And remember, it's called social media for a reason. Engage with your followers. Reply to comments, ask questions, and join conversations.
Don't forget to use hashtags. They're like the breadcrumbs leading people to your content. Use popular, relevant hashtags to increase your reach. Tools like Hashtagify can help you find the best ones.
Lastly, track your performance. Use analytics tools provided by the platforms to see what's working and what's not. Adapt and optimize your strategy accordingly.
Section 7, Step 6, Email Marketing Magic.
Email marketing might seem old school, but it's still one of the most effective ways to reach your audience. Think of it as a direct line to your customers' inboxes. Done right, it can be pure magic.
Start by building your email list. Offer something valuable in exchange for email addresses. Use sign-up forms on your website and social media. Quality over quantity.
Craft irresistible emails. Your subject line is your first impression. Use curiosity, urgency, or humor. Keep it concise and engaging. Use images, bullet points, and clear CTAs. Personalize your emails.
Segment your list. Send targeted emails to different groups.
Track your results and adjust your strategy.
Section 8, Step 7, Analyze and Adapt.
In the world of online marketing, change is the only constant. Algorithms evolve, trends shift, and what worked yesterday might work tomorrow. That's why analyzing and adapting is crucial. It's like being a chameleon in a jungle of data.
Start with the basics. Use tools like Google Analytics to track your website's performance. Look at metrics like traffic, bounce rate, and conversion rate. Identify which pages are performing well and which need improvement. This data is your compass, guiding you in the right direction.
Next, dive into social media analytics. Each platform offers its own set of insights. Look at engagement rates, follower growth, and post performance. Find out what types of content resonate with your audience and focus on creating more of that. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things.
Also, don't forget about your email marketing metrics. Monitor your open rates, click-through rates, and unsubscribe rates. If something isn't working, tweak it. Maybe your subject lines need more pizzazz or your CTAs aren't clear enough. The key is to be flexible and responsive. Section 9, Step 8, Budget your bucks.
Let's talk money. Online marketing doesn't have to break the bank, but it does require some investment. Think of it as planting seeds. With the right care, they'll grow into a bountiful harvest. But where should you spend your bucks?
Start with your website. Investing in a good design and user experience is crucial. It's the foundation of your online presence.
Next, consider paid advertising. Platforms like Google Ads or Facebook Ads can help you reach a larger audience quickly. Start with a small budget, test different campaigns, and see what works best. Don't forget about tools. SEO tools, email marketing platforms, and social media schedulers can save you time and boost your efficiency. Many offer free versions or trials, so take advantage of those before committing to a paid plan.
And remember, the most valuable investment is your time.
Keep track of your spending. Use a simple spreadsheet or a tool like QuickBooks to monitor your budget. Compare your expenses with your results to ensure you're getting a good return on investment, and always be ready to adjust. If something isn't giving you the desired results, don't be afraid to reallocate your budget.
Section 10, Conclusion, start your online marketing journey today.
Congratulations! You've made it through Online Marketing 101. By now, you should have a solid understanding of the basics and be ready to start your journey. Remember, online marketing isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. It takes time, effort, and a bit of creativity. So, what are you waiting for? Put on your marketing hat and dive in. Experiment, learn, and most importantly, have fun. The digital world is your oyster, and with the right strategy, you can achieve great things. And as you grow, don't forget to revisit these steps, refine your approach, and keep learning.
Before you go, I have one last favor to ask. If you found this guide helpful, support me by subscribing to my YouTube channel. I share more tips, tutorials, and insights on online marketing. Plus, you'll get to see my charming face. Happy marketing!